Today in Hue, we chase Tet flavors you can't fake.
First stop, Đông Ba. Tet shopping starts before the sun is high.
Hue Tet feels gentle until the flavors hit.
We're building a Hue Tet tray. Sweet, sour, spicy, and neat.
Way to the end, we unwrap Hue's Tet Comfort.
Sticky rice must feel plump. This is our Tet backbone.
Hue wrapping is tidy, clean leaves, tight folds.
This shrimp paste is essential for the Tet tray. It adds the perfect kick.
The Tet tray needs bold accents. Hue doesn't whisper.
Crunchy pickles keep rich Tet foods in balance.
This jar is pure Hue, tangy, spicy, and addictive.
Addictive.
Locals wrap it with greens, fresh bite after the heat. Yeah. Next, here is cute bites, nem chua and tray.
Pepper, garlic, toasted notes. This is Tet snacking.
Hue keeps it sharp. One bite wakes you up.
For Tet bowls, dried goods bring depth and aroma. A little rain, Hue's usual seasoning. Hue Tet prep is organized. Hue sweets look simple, but the bite is bold.
A neat tray is a Hue habit, welcoming guests with care.
Mùi vị này chua, cay, tôm, rất Huế.
Balance on one plate. Rich, sour, fresh, crisp.
Tet isn't only taste, Hue also smells like incense. These colors feel like Tet fireworks, quiet and beautiful.
The same care we wrap food wraps incense too.
Dạ, cảm ơn.
For the ancestor altar, Tet feels complete.
Now, time for the big wrap. Bánh tét Huế style.
3 layers, rice, bean, pork. Simple, but it must be tight.
Hue style is neat, no messy edges.
Even thickness means even slices. Pretty and tasty.
This knot is the promise. Nothing leaks.
Look at that, clean edges, Hue pride. Now we wait. Slow heat makes Tet taste.
In Hue, Tet is quiet joy, shared at the table.
Okay, the moment.
This is Hue Tet, warm, tidy, and deeply comforting.
The table should look calm and cared for.
This crunch is the reset button.
Tet visits start with sweets and tea.
Happy New Year! Please come in.
Thank you.
Sweet first, then the ginger heat.
Hugh Tet is quiet. Little gestures say a lot. That steady boil. It's the sound of Tet night.
Hugh at night feels like a lullaby.
Day 2, Hugh eats again, but differently.
That morning need a bowl with backbone.
That aroma, lemongrass and beef, pure.
First sip, the whole city wakes up.
Hugh lets you tune the heat your way.
Dạ, cảm ơn.
Spicy comfort, exactly what Tet morning needs.
Next quest, Hugh's tiny cakes, small but serious. Hugh loves bite size but full flavor.
Three textures: soft, silky, and chewy.
That chew, so satisfying.
Hugh manners. Taste first, talk later. After savory, Hugh always saves room for chair.
Even dessert looks tiry here.
Sweet relief, Hugh style. Tet gifts here often mean and sesame and peanuts.
This is Hugh's Sweet Craft. Fast hands, clean lines.
Chewy, nutty, toasted, perfect with tea.
Thank you. Happy New Year. One box and you've got Hugh Tet in your hands.
Now we visit. Food travels with the greetings.
Serve elders first. Hugh etiquette never forgets.
That nod means it's Tet ready.
Rainy Hugh nights are made for hot street food.
Listen, this crunch is the headline.
Crispy shell, rich dip, very Hugh.
Crunch, then creamy, savory depth.
Tet nights love the smell of charcoal.
Roll it tight. Hugh likes it clean.
Day 2 bánh tét, crispy outside, soft inside.
Hear that crackle? Tet leftovers become a new dish.
Hugh loves contrast. Crisp, sour, spicy.
This tastes like Tet morning at a cousin's house.
This setup is a rolling ritual.
Tight roll, clean bite, Hugh style.
Everything fits.
A sweet finish. Hugh's signature goodbye.
After the feast, Hugh goes calm again.
Final Huetet bite. Complete.
Tidy, tangy, warm. Remember that.
Hugh craving